everyone. Picture this with me for a moment. You're driving down a quiet Kentucky country road, the trees begin to part, and suddenly you arrive at your very own 40-acre retreat. It's peaceful, it's private, and it's exactly the kind of place you've been dreaming about. Right at the heart of it all is a cozy 2-bedroom, 1-bath cabin. Step inside and you'll find an open floor plan where the kitchen, dining, and living areas all come together into one bright, airy space. It's simple, comfortable, and welcoming, the kind of place where you instantly feel at home. The charm doesn't stop there. Out front, you've got a covered porch that's perfect for sipping your morning coffee as the sun rises over the treetops. Out back, another covered porch is waiting for those quiet evenings, whether you're watching the fireflies dance or just listening to the crickets sing. Surrounding you is 40 acres of beautiful woodland. Hike your own trails, hunt right outside your door, or just enjoy the peace of being completely tucked away in nature. The yard is open and flat, giving you space for kids, pets, or even a garden if you've always wanted to grow your own food. And here's a bonus. A large storage building sits on the property, ready to be whatever you need. Keep it as a workshop, turn it into a studio, or even convert it into another small home or guest cabin. What makes this property special is the balance. Total privacy and nature all around you, yet just a short drive into town when you need groceries, dining, or community. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway, a full-time homestead, or a family retreat, this property offers space, freedom, and opportunity in one of the most beautiful corners of Kentucky. Don't wait too long. Places like this don't come around.